The top images are to get your attention. They are from my next video. The reason you will be seeing text_1, text_2, text_3, etc. They will build a large text string I will be using for my voiceover. The black text above is an empty string variable. Text_1 is also a string variable that contains piece of information I want to use as a voiceover. In this video about Python programming language, the text created for the video could all go into one string. However, in future videos, I will use them as code comments in the code snippet above. Text_1 is a string variable that contains a text or a piece of information, and it can be concatenated with other strings using the plus operator. Concatenating, joining it with a previous string like text equals text plus text_1 would result in the concatenation of the contents of text and text_1, creating a new string object that contains the combined text. That combined text is this voiceover. Like and subscribe to see more Python tutorials in this format. In the next video we will open image and overlay it with a transparent image like the images below. We will create these images in the next video.